How to host different websites on the same hosting platform. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to host different websites on the same hosting platform. So let's get started. When it comes to hosting a website, for example, you have a WordPress website and you also have a Squarespace website and GoDaddy website. So you want to actually host all of the websites on the same hosting platform. That is actually very unique to find, and a lot of people struggle with that. Today, I'll show you how to host different websites on the same hosting platform for free. So let's get started. So first of all, what you guys need to do is you will go to a platform known as Pantheon.io, and then you will get right here. Pantheon is actually one of the platforms that I personally use to host my WordPress website, and we can host other websites with our Pantheon as well. First of all, once you get right here, you have to click on Get Started. And then you can sign up for free on Pantheon. There is also a pricing plan available if you want to go for that. You can enter your first name, last name, company name, work email, enter your password, and click on I agree. You can also sign in with your Google. That's what I'm gonna do. And it will take you to the main dashboard right here. We can host more than one website on Pantheon for free, and it can be different websites from different platforms. This is the main dashboard. We have our home, sites, team, autopilot, support, and settings. Before we continue, let's actually check out the pricing plan for Pantheon as well, so that if you want to upgrade to the gold plan and if you want to get more features, you will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So here we have our pricing plan. Best for developers, it's going to be free. Best for small teams, best for large teams, and best for enterprise. Why I am using Pantheon? The Pantheon is actually an SaaS, and that allows us to host websites as well, and we can create websites. Let's say you do not want to buy the WordPress plan, or you do not want to buy a plan from any other platform. So what you can do is you can just create that website on your Pantheon. So let's get back to the main dashboard. So you can see I already have two sites added to my Pantheon dashboard, and they're actually WordPress websites. You can see right here, these are two websites. To create a new site, you will click on Create New Site option here, or you can migrate your existing site. To create a new website, you will click on this option, and it will take you here. Now you can see we can host different websites on our Pantheon. It depends on our traditional website that we have, and we can actually host our Drupal website or WordPress website with Pantheon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and select WordPress from here, and then we can simply, get our Pantheon slash WordPress dashboard. So what happens right here is why I am choosing Pantheon to host again. It's because it allows you to create a website from the scratch as well. So if you cannot afford WordPress, if you cannot afford any other platform for your hosting, then you can simply use Pantheon. It gives you your dashboard, it gives you your own website that you can work on, and you can even publish it. So we have to give our website a name, and you can again see in upstream we have WordPress. So we have our Pantheon site here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it my test website. That's going to be the name for the site. And this is what I will get. You can see .pantheonsite.io. Then you have to select the region, select your upstream, which is going to be WordPress, and click on continue. And it will just take a few minutes to deploy the CMS, and you can wait for this. I'll just let it load and see you in a minute. Once the website is created on Pantheon dashboard, you can open it up in your platform as well. So you can see it has opened it up for me on WordPress, and it's the same website that you create on WordPress.com. And you can see we have our own dashboard. We're getting the code, the merge status, everything. We even have our domains and HTTPS given here. The backups and the admin will be available. So I can just switch to the site admin now, and it will take me to my main dashboard on my WordPress. So I have a WordPress website now. I can just click login with my details that I have added, and it will take me to the main website. You can see right here we have our own website that I created with Pantheon. You can see right here in the domain. So this is one way you can host different websites on the same hosting platform. There is another platform that I would like to show you guys. which is bluehost.com. Bluehost.com is another website hosting platform that allows you to host more than one website with a single hosting plan. So you can go to the bluehost.com and you will land right here. You can log in or sign up to the platform really easily using your email address and your Google account. So all you need to do is just enter your domain name and password, or you can sign in with Google. Once you do, then you will be able to host your WordPress website and any other website using Bluehost. Using Bluehost. If we check out the pricing plan for Bluehost, you can see right here, even with the basic plan, which is $2.95, we have one free domain and one website. And then if you buy the plus plan, which is $5.45, you will be able to see that we can host multiple websites. So this is how we can host like a Wix website, Squarespace website, GoDaddy website, or even a WordPress website with Bluehost. We also get our own domain name. So to find the right domain name on Bluehost, you can go to the domain section right here and you can search for a domain name. For instance, I am looking for swaycloset.com. So let's search for this domain if it's available or not. So you can see right here, if it's available, it will say add to the cart and it will be included in your plan that you have bought. There are different pricing plans for different domains right here. Very cheap domains are available for even $1 for a year's hosting. And you can see right here, this one is actually $1. Similarly, I can search for another domain name, for example, thesocialguide.com. Now it'll show me if it's available. You can see this one is not available, and now they're giving me different suggestions. We have the socialguide.net, the socialguide.tech, .website, .online, .store. So you can see we have a lot of different pricing plans. Some are expensive a little bit, but not that much. But you will be able to find a very good domain name for between $12 to $20. So this is how you can get a domain name and also host multiple websites with Bluehost with the simple plan that you buy, and it will allow you to host unlimited websites. Just sign up for Bluehost and you're good to go. You will be getting your own professional dashboard and business email as well. And now you can run a successful business online by hosting different websites on a simple hosting. This is also really good for website developers and freelancers if you're looking for a platform for hosting your websites. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.